today we'll discuss, in last session we'll discuss about the transition metal complex. In today's lecture we'll discuss on coordination compound. Okay, in last session we'll discuss about the transition element. What is the transition element? That means it will be those elements it will be present between the S and P blocks. For example, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, cobalt, nickel. These are the transition elements. But today's session will discuss on coordination compound. What is a coordination compound? First of all, the coordination compound nothing but means those element means in which the central metal item it will be surrounded by the number of ligands that we can see the coordination compound. How the coordination compound is formed? With the help of covalent bond, coordinate bond, covalent coordinate bond means in which the central metal atom means surrounded by the various parts of ligand that we can say the coordination compound. For example, cobalt hexacyanide. Cobalt is a central metal atom and cyanide is surrounded. These are the act as a ligand. These are act as a ligand. This is a particular example of a coordination compound. In our surrounding, in our periodic table, various metals are present. Various we can say the ligands as well as metals as well as non-metal. That means we can give the various example: nickel hexacyanide, chromium, copper hexacyanide, these cobalt hexacyanide, zinc heptacyanide. These are the various complexes of a coordination compound. Because these coordination compound of a metal, they shows the various oxidation state. They does not say the singular oxidation state. First of all, you know that what is the oxidation state or what is the electron configuration. First of all, the electronic configuration nothing but the basically the cell-wise distribution of an electron in an atom of a cell or subcell, that we can say the electronic configuration. And what is the oxidation number? For completion of a valence structure among the ligand and central metal ion and ligand, they share the electron pair. They share the electron pair, that we can say the oxidation state. For valency purpose, they suppose the oxidation state, that is called as a oxidation state. So this is the basic part of a coordination compound. So basically, simple definition, that is in chemistry the central metal ion surrounded by the various types of ligand, same ligand, that we can say the coordination compound. So today we'll discuss in next session tomorrow's new bits. So thank you so much.